All right, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. All right, quick video for you all here today. Hope everyone watching this having a great day. We are testing out the Robotaxi, the Cybercab here in the Cybercab. This is pre-Cybercab days, but we're gonna, provide you with the data that the Cybercab uses to now drive you around, depending on what year you are watching this video. And now I'm sure that because self-driving cars are a thing now, I'm sure everyone is using self-driving cars, and everyone forgot how to drive at this point. So I'm sure, now look at this, very nice right turn, smooth. All right, so what did you all think about the Robotaxi event? Oh man, I had so many takeaways. The Robobin, I think the Robobin was my favorite, but really what the cherry on top was the Optimus, and just seeing the personality that Optimus has, I think was by far just the coolest thing about 1010. And yeah, shout out to anyone who watched it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And apparently Optimus and FSD are the same, so who knows, if you're alright. So in this video I want to pose one question, and the question is, if you had $30,000 to spend right now, it wasn't your $30,000 when you had to buy somebody a gift, okay, would you rather buy them Optimus or the Cybercab? Okay, both are the same exact price, $32,000 after tax. So what are you doing? You buying the Optimus or are you buying the Cybercab? Now, also, both of these, you have to look at them as tools, and they can potentially make you, your yearly income and some. Now, we are very hypothetically speaking over here, so this is not like facts and anyone can actually pull this off, but who knows, with all the tools presented, and it could potentially be pulled off. So I don't know, I was leaning more towards the Cybercab, but I feel like I already have FSD, and I already have a Cybercab. So with that being said, I might lean more towards the robot, but who knows, we're talking hypothetically speaking anyways, right? So yeah, I want to just pose that question out to everyone, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Definitely drop your thoughts. And yeah, so like here we are, auto parking, pulling up to our destination, and FSD just doing everything for us. And yeah, let me know what you think. Would you buy a robot first, or would you buy the Cybercab first? Both are $30,000, and yeah, it's like FSD, and yeah, finally as a product, hardware product, which is the Robotaxi, and it's about time. Looking forward to V13 coming up here soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for updates on that. And self-driving has really come a long way. Yeah, and make sure you check out some of my old videos if you haven't, just to see like the way FSD used to drive compared to the way it's at today. And I just wanted to give you a quick take on FSD and what's going on with the 1010 event. Did you think this was positive for Tesla? Did you think it was negative for the stock, for the company? Talk to me about the future. Drop your comments below. I would like to know your thoughts. Now that it's been a couple days, everyone has kind of registered and digested what exactly happened. A lot of people interacted with Tesla robots and was able to see things, which I thought was really interesting, like the interaction on them serving drinks and whatnot, and just their personality really threw me off. I thought, shout out to Tesla owner, Silicon Valley. John over there was talking to the robots, man, and his video is just astonishing, I think. So who's gonna get a robot? Who's gonna get the Cybercab? I don't know about the steering wheel list. I mean, I know that it can work, But I don't know, I like to drive. Don't take that away from me yet. You know, I'm not ready personally. But we'll see. You know, it's gonna take some time for the world to get ready. You know, get that steering wheel out of here. So who knows? Thoughts below. Are you just here for the ride, interested? And let me know. Hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.